Anyways, good morning, guys. It's been a while since I posted content, and this is probably gonna be my first English-oriented vlog. I'm just trying to experiment if it works with the algorithm and my social media accounts. So yeah, we're going for a charity ride today. I mean, I don't know much about it other than it being a charity ride. If I can find the goddamn key. There we go. Cold start. I'm sorry, neighbors, by the way. This one's gonna be loud. Today we have the Rusi KRY 200. It's gonna be our unit for today. We are heading to DIGOS. We're heading to DIGOS, guys. Let's just let that warm up for a bit. Oh god, the neighbors are gonna hate me, bro. By the way, I mentioned a while ago, this is probably gonna be my first English-oriented vlog. And who knows, it might be like that the rest of the way. Depends on the algorithm, because I'm experimenting a bit. I'm trying to see if the algorithm picks up the contents that are English oriented per se. So yeah. I'm supposed to meet up with my fellow vloggers, Davao Eagle vloggers, and Team Spider here in Ulas Caltex. I'm not sure if they're here. It might be the first one. Okay, so Kuis Jenner is here. I'm not the first one. What's up? Dra mo, linya mo dra. Malinyar ako. We're about to take off. One of our friends just went past us, the one we were waiting for. So yeah. I'm getting left behind because of my slow ass. Oh my god, I got left behind. It's okay. We'll catch up. Alright, let's go. Terribly sorry that I only upload content I only often upload content. It's not because I don't want to, but I do believe in the what do you call it, saying quality over quantity. And I can't provide you guys with daily content or something, because there's really nothing going on in my life, and I don't want to bore you guys, you know. I'm just a student. I'm not even working. I just ride motorcycles for fun, basically. That's just it. We are already here at DIGOS. I'm joined with my fellow co-vloggers and content creators. God, Uncle Pogi's vibe is so fucking loud. Jesus Christ, bro. My first time having a group ride. At least my biggest yet. I think we're only 6, and that might not be big for some of you guys, but hey, as a first timer, that guy was leading us directions. How kind of him. Oh, it's there. Ooh, so that's the meetup. So we are here at DIGOS City. This is the meet. We're still waiting for a couple of people. Our takeoff is 8:30. I think we still have 80 minutes here. I think we're actually accompanied by police officers, so I think, with this ride. So yeah, let's go check out a few bikes that they have here.
You're chilling when the rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Baby, you give me ice and fire. You're channeling wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, 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 oh,
So we're about to go to the actual venue. We're gonna go ahead because parking is gonna be difficult. We are on our way to the actual venue. So if I'm not mistaken, it's probably around 5-minute drive, most likely. So if I had to take a guess, we're probably more than 100 riders right now. And yes, we are accompanied by police officers, officials, if you may. So, because this is actually a third founding anniversary of. I forgot what it's called. It's in the poster. I'll probably put it in the video, so you guys know what I'm talking about. This motorcycle is so fun. Not fun when you're reaching top end, but man, at low speeds, this motorcycle's a real blast, bro. Okay. And it has mini backfires. I guess we're here. Oh, it's a school. Okay.
Don't leave me here high and dry. Baby, you give me ice and fire. You're gentle and wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry.
So we just finished the turnovers of our goods. We're on our way back to our hometown, Davao. But first we'll probably get some food to eat or something. Oh, it's nice to know that there's still officers on duty, even if it's this late.